individuals are earning substantial sums, often hundreds of thousands of dollars, by selling AI-generated products without needing to create them themselves. Take, for instance, someone who generated over $62,000 in a single month simply by selling a product easily crafted with AI technology. The advancement of AI continues to enhance its ability to create high-quality, marketable products, making the process increasingly accessible. In today's video, I'll unveil 4 of the top AI-generated products you can start selling immediately. These selections are based on data indicating high demand and significant profit potential. People are already profiting from these products, so all you need to do is choose one of the 4 options and follow the steps outlined in this video. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Phone cases. So the initial AI product we'll delve into is AI phone cases. You can readily observe that individuals are already earning substantial sums by selling phone cases similar to these. Perhaps you're wondering about your lack of design skills, but here's the kicker. You're not the one crafting these designs, nor are you handling the manufacturing and shipping once a purchase is made. Instead, you'll harness sophisticated AI to generate the artwork for you, coupled with automation software that oversees the production and shipment of the phone cases to your customers. The entire process is essentially automated, with only a few prompts needed to be entered into the AI. Before diving into designing the phone cases with AI, it's crucial to conduct thorough research to discern which types of phone case designs are actually in demand. This ensures you don't waste time on designs with little market appeal. A tool like Allura on Etsy allows us to gauge the popularity of products. For instance, a particular phone case may be generating tens of thousands of dollars in sales. By exploring the seller's shop, it becomes evident that several other phone cases are also achieving substantial sales figures. The strategy involves identifying multiple designs that are selling well, saving their images, and then leveraging AI to create unique variations based on these successful designs. To execute this, we employ a tool called Midjourney, a text-to-image generator that converts simple text descriptions into comprehensive images. Using Midjourney, you input a description and upload an image of a phone case design. The AI then provides several prompts describing the design, which can be utilized to generate new designs. This process ensures the creation of unique variations while capitalizing on existing market trends. Subsequently, we utilize automated software like Gelato to add the design to the phone cases and prepare them for sale. Gelato offers a streamlined process. After signing up and selecting the desired phone case type, such as the slim case, you simply import the AI-generated design. Gelato automatically incorporates the design onto the case. Assuming your Etsy shop is linked to Gelato, you can swiftly publish the product for sale. With Gelato, it's possible to amass a diverse range of high-quality phone case designs for your Etsy shop efficiently. Posters. Moving on, another AI product you can venture into selling is AI posters. A while back, I purchased 2 posters on Amazon, only to realize later that both were crafted with AI. There exists a lucrative market with individuals raking in millions of dollars by selling posters and art prints like these. Take, for instance, a seller on Etsy who boasts nearly 400,000 sales and has amassed almost $2.7 million in revenue. You could follow suit, harnessing the capabilities of AI to generate prints for you. Consider this artwork as an example. Simply save the image onto your computer, proceed to Midjourney, input for describe, and upload the image. The AI will then furnish you with 4 distinct prompts that can be used to create entirely unique artwork. With minimal effort, you could kickstart selling prints like these on Etsy, as validated by our research. where numerous sellers are earning substantial sums by selling similar prints. As with the previous idea, you can automate the entire selling process using Gelato. Navigate to Gelato, click on Products, then Wall Art, and choose from various options. For instance, you might opt for a wooden frame poster. Once again, simply upload your design and Gelato handles the rest. Here's the exciting part. After creating these art prints and uploading them to Gelato, you can diversify your income by selling them in multiple ways on various platforms. For instance, you could offer them as digital downloads or utilize Gelato to sell them as framed posters, canvas prints, or even wooden prints on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, where I initially purchased both prints, you can observe a seller achieving considerable success selling these framed AI prints. Moreover, once you've utilized Midjourney to generate the artwork, Gelato seamlessly fulfills the order for you, including tasks like manufacturing and shipping it to your customer. Consequently, apart from coming up with the prompts for the actual art prints, you don't have to lift a finger. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Mugs. The next AI product you can sell are AI mugs, and there are individuals earning tens of thousands of dollars per month in passive income by selling just mugs on platforms such as Etsy. For instance, this vendor exclusively sells mugs on Etsy, with over 133,000 sales amounting to more than $5.5 million in revenue solely from mug sales. Many other sellers similarly generate significant profits by exclusively selling mugs. What's remarkable is that they likely aren't handling the printing and shipping themselves. Instead, they are likely utilizing print-on-demand services like Gelato to produce and ship the mugs. This means the seller's primary task is to create designs for the mugs. Previously, generating designs like these would have been time-consuming, but with the power of AI, it's now much more efficient. However, before employing AI to create designs, it's essential to conduct research to identify which designs sell well. After a quick review of Etsy, several high-selling designs garnering thousands of dollars in sales per month were identified. Following the same process used for other AI products, we'll input these designs into a tool like Midjourney, describe, select images, and then upload them as prompts for the AI to generate new and unique designs. In just a few minutes, we can transform these popular coffee mug designs into entirely original designs, ready for sale on your Etsy shop. Subsequently, these designs can be uploaded to a print-on-demand service like Gelato, printed onto mugs, and then listed directly on your Etsy shop through Gelato's platform. During your research into mug sales, you'll likely notice that custom word-based mugs are highly popular. These custom mugs typically feature personalized text, such as names or humorous phrases. Fortunately, it's straightforward to start selling these custom mugs using automation software. For instance, Gelato's Personalization Studio allows for the automatic fulfillment of custom orders. Suppose you have a listing on your Etsy shop offering custom mugs with personalized names. In that case, when a customer purchases such a mug, they can input their desired name into a designated box. Gelato's software then applies this text to the custom mug, handles manufacturing, and arranges shipment to the customer. This automation eliminates the need for manual intervention, streamlining the process significantly. Before tools like Gelato existed, manually adjusting text or images for each custom product was necessary. However, with Gelato's capabilities, offering personalized products like custom mugs becomes effortless, requiring no manual effort on your part. Importantly, this feature isn't limited to coffee mugs, but can be extended to any of the AI products discussed in today's video. T-shirts. This seamlessly transitions us into the final AI product you can market, which is custom T-shirts. Stores like the one showcased have generated over $9 million in revenue by selling personalized T-shirts and hoodies. Numerous other shops have adopted a similar approach and are making substantial profits. For instance, Custom Fasts, established in 2020, has already amassed over $3 million in sales, equating to approximately $775,000 per month. As with any AI product discussed earlier, thorough research is essential before embarking on this venture. You must identify the types of T-shirts that are currently in demand to avoid wasting time on unpopular designs. Utilizing tools like Allure provides insights into the average sales figures for various T-shirts. From this research, we can draw inspiration from several successful designs, including custom text-based T-shirts and those featuring illustrations or designs. Similar to the process for creating custom mugs or prints, Gelato can automate the production process for custom T-shirts. For instance, a T-shirt design can easily be replicated within Gelato's platform, albeit with potentially different fonts. Utilizing Gelato's personalization studio, you can streamline the customization process. By adding text and selecting fonts, you enable customers to personalize their T-shirts. Gelato handles the heavy lifting, including manufacturing and shipping, once an order is placed. Suppose you wish to sell T-shirts featuring more than just text, perhaps with unique designs. In that case, you can employ Midjourney to generate descriptions of images, which serve as prompts for AI to create unique designs. These designs can be sold as is or further customized. Gelato's personalization studio allows you to add customization features, such as allowing customers to personalize text below an illustration. Gelato automates this process, ensuring seamless execution. Whether it's custom text on T-shirts, AI-generated graphic designs, or a blend of both, once the listing is created, Gelato manages everything. There's no need for further intervention. You can simply sit back and watch the sales roll in. With a combination of AI and automation tools like Gelato, establishing your online business and earning substantial income from home is achievable. I've presented 4 entirely legitimate products for you to sell on platforms like Etsy. By leveraging AI and automation tools like Gelato, you can swiftly establish your online business and potentially change your life from the comfort of your home. If you desire a step-by-step tutorial on any of these products, whether it's phone cases, AI prints, mugs, or T-shirts, feel free to specify your preference in the comments below. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.